Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Subrata Sarker. I'm a mechanical engineer working in manufacturing industry more than 22 years. Today I'll share bicycle industry. How big is the bicycle industry? How popular is it in different countries and continents? If we like to understand how big is the bicycle market size, so by market size there are 14 crore is the market size of the bicycle in 2017, and the total value of the bicycle industry by in US dollar it is 28 billion US dollars. So it is a very big market actually. And if you see in Asia, this total sale by number is out of 140 million, it is 50 million in Asia, and in Europe is 23 million, and it is very much popular in Europe actually, bicycle for common using. And there is an electric bicycle also. You can see that in Europe the green color is the projection. This is the projection up to 2018 for the bicycle. In Europe, both they have both different ranges actually, a category of the bicycles. Someone is called mountain bike. It's a lot of gearing arrangements, very high end and very sophisticated materials are being used, and is very costly. In green color, this presentation for the Western Europe. So this is getting very market is increasing like anything actually in Western Europe. The cycle popularity of the cycle actually. In fact, I have been working in Germany for more than 1 year, and in our offices also, like most of the colleague has they used to call their mountain bike is basically a cycle with a lot of sophistication and high this very costly cycles. So even the senior person in general manager, vice president in the offices, they used to come with the bicycles at least one in Friday or some weekend days actually. So this was the culture actually in European countries, which actually address the two things. One is the environment, and another is your physical exercise. Doing you are burning a lot of calorie when you are cycling. So it's in both way actually it is very positive side is there. Now in public bicycle programs, a lot of theirs in Europe you'll find that in every month, every week there are a lot of bicycle programs are there. Say 50 number of people, 100 number of people, they are going for 200 kilometer, 500 kilometer program for the bicycles. If you see this in different countries actually is got this type of culture, or they are promoting the bicycle actually. If you see the 2017 calendar for the this bicycle program in Europe, the total number of the program was 524. In Asia, which is most part in China, like 502 numbers. In Africa, it's very negligible, only one number. In South America, 34 number. North America, 121 number. So this bicycle is these developed countries, they are promoting the bicycle people to use. And in Europe, like in our India, presently we have for food delivery, we have Swiggy, we have Zomato, this type of network who delivering the foods actually when you order in online. In Europe also they have Uber, like in Uber has car as well as Uber has a food delivery department or division also. In Uber food delivery department also they use bicycles in European countries. So it is very much popular actually, and as bicycle has got a very big market, so obviously there will be a huge market for the components or the parts of the bicycle, or the aftermarket, which normally is called like spare parts or the components of the bicycle. It is also very big market actually. Like bicycle spare parts market size, if you is around 138 billion US dollar, and then and in Europe itself is more than 15-20% actually. And if you see by country wise, there are 3 countries where this bicycle is most popular. One is the Germany, one is the Romania, one is Italy actually. As I said, there's a lot of bicycle program happens in Europe. So these are the actual like people the bicycle racing, or they actually it's not very it's basically actually they want to travel in the weekend for 100,000 kilometer. Even some people go for a bicycle tour even more than 1 month like that actually. And there is another concept in bicycles, so that many people doesn't buy a bicycle. So there is a sharing system in different parts, in different places, you will find that a lot of hundreds and thousands of bicycles are kept. So anybody can take it for some very negligible money, and they can drive the bicycles there as a wish actually. In China has got this type of bicycle sharing concept is very much popular, and it is very big actually. And at the same time you will find, but many people actually then, don't like, for any reason that they don't want to drive the bicycle paddling, so electric bicycles are also there, and that is also available in sharing basis. And in Europe, US, you'll find that people have this bicycle is a popular things actually. So along with the car, they have a special brackets or system for carrying system of the bicycle. When they goes for any holiday or something, so they take the bicycle along with the car actually. So you can see here in this picture, and some people going by buses even for a long tour actually. But in buses also they have a good carrier for taking the bicycles actually. So it means actually this is a very important things actually, like in a car are a very important utility, and they are promoting it, and people are using it. They are getting both the benefits in terms of the pollution as well as their health benefits actually by doing some exercise actually, calorie burning. And so bicycle ranges starts in globally actually from 12 inch, 14 inch, 16 inch up to 29 inch bicycle ranges. And in India is also in India we have bicycles, but in India we have a different actually understanding, or the psychology about the bicycles actually. We have social, actually it's a socio-economic issues actually. Suppose in offices nobody is people is nobody is going to take the come with the bicycle actually, because in our socio-economic structure or concept is such that if someone come with a bicycle or someone is running a bicycle, so people thinks that he doesn't have money for buying a motorbike or a car actually. But this is not the fact actually. So these things needs to break actually. In many offices also people today nowadays have started bringing bicycles. It's not that the people doesn't have money to procure the car, that's why they are driving the bicycles. It is for the sake of actually environment as well as their this physical exercise or calorie burning. So this things will sure is increasing in India, and it will obviously improve further in coming days actually. Even the females are also doing a lot of bicycles programs in India. You'll find in different cities it has started, and in villages where there is no buses and some convenience problems also, government is also providing a lot of bicycles to the females or the BPL people actually, those who are below the poverty level. States also bicycles are promoting, so that it will increasing day by day, and it can substitute some this IC engine or the automobile. So, and which will be finally is sustainable actually for the benefit of the future and the people life actually, or better life, or they will say. So find this presentation is interesting, you can share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon, so that you can get the notification for my future presentation. Thank you so much for your attention.